Hello, my name is Aliocha from tb.lx and I'm product manager for eTruck Ready. Range anxiety is one of the biggest barriers to adopting electrical vehicle. And to help business owners understand what it means to electrify their fleet, tb.lx and Merlin Truck understand and build a tool called eTruck Ready. This tool aims at helping the business owner to make check of their routes and their operations and understand which part of their operation can be electrified. The tool combines and uses different parameters from the trucks and the routes parameters like temperature, body weight, the weight of the transport to make an accurate prediction of the route. Okay, let's see your route feasibility. To plan a route, you first need to go to the eTruck Ready applications. Then you can choose to either import a route that you have created in the past or start a route and plan a route from scratch. And that's what we are going to do right now. So I'm going to start the planification of the routes and then I will have to select the truck that I want to make the simulation with. In this case, I will try the new eActros 600. I will take a certain truck model and wheelbase, and then I will check the body type. For this example, I will take the cooling body with the temperature of 4 degrees. Once the truck is chosen, I can define the route parameters. I can either decide to plan now, in which case we are going to be using the current traffic conditions and the current temperature. Or I can decide to define specific scenarios, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to decide to plan a route for the middle of the summer with around 30 degrees of outside temperature. Now that we are set with the route parameters, I will then plan my routes. I will say I will start from Lisbon with a cargo of around 4 tons. Then I will go to Sevilla. Where I'm going to offload half of my cargo. And I'm going to charge up to 80% my truck. I will add it as a waypoint. I will then continue my route and go to Évora in Portugal, where I'm going to reload part of my truck, and I'm not going to make any charging. And I will then end my route by finishing where I started in Lisbon, where I'm going to then offload all my cargo. Once the route is fully completed, I can ask the applications to make a full simulations and calculate the route feasibility. Great news! The route is fully feasible, electrically feasible. I can then do 843 kilometers with only one charge in Sevilla. And you have different parameters or information regarding your routes that you can then browse around and see an easy and understandable way of which and how can you electrify your different routes. You can now save your trip for the future by copying the link of the URL, and in the future just going to the applications and make an import of it. eTruck Ready is an analytical tool that empowers fleet owners to make well-informed buying decisions, as they can thoroughly test their real-life routes using Mercedes-Benz Trucks.